Okay, so first of all, how are you, ma'am?
All well.
So my first question,
Hmm.
my first question to you is: every Toastmaster aspire to be a DTM, and only 1% Toastmasters are DTM. So can you like elaborate your journey from a Toastmaster to distinguished Toastmaster?
Wow. I'm very much prepared to answer your question with very apt props. Do you want to view what are the props for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this? Hmm?
Wow.
Can you see this? This is just one file what I'm showing to you. I have got 5 files of certificates all from Toastmasters. Okay, this is all from Toastmasters. All you can check anyone. So this you will get if you are just a Toastmaster. This you will enjoy receiving from your normal Toastmaster club. Okay, after you have received all these as your prize possession, finally, next thing for you is you need to serve as a district officer, maybe for 6 months or 1 year, depending on the current norms which have been laid down by the Toastmasters International, because in between they keep changing. Besides serving as a district officer, you need to conduct an event, you need to take care of lot of responsibilities, and the conditions keep increasing as per the time guidelines, as per the person who is heading Toastmasters International. And finally, one day, if you manage to climb up all the stairs one at a time, then you will receive this. Can you see this? A very heavy
Yes.
box which I received in the year 2018 in the month of August. And if you will open it, it is this. What is this?
Wow. Distinguished
Hmm?
Toastmaster memento.
It's a yeah, wooden plank on which everything is being engrossed in golden. And this is my most prized possession till date. Whomsoever asks for richa, they don't recognize me if they don't say the whole thing. I'm DTM richa, distinguished Toastmasters. And to complete my answer, there are hardly 9,000 or maybe 10,000 in the whole world, those distinguished Toastmasters in the whole world. And if you talk about our country, India, there are just 80 or 90 at present. And I am the only distinguished Toastmaster from Himachal, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and Punjab till date. There is no other DTM till date. So
Wow.
it is which year going on? 2020. So it's not easy. And at every step, there were a lot of challenges. If I wanted, I would have given up. But still, I wanted to carry on because my mentor taught me that you have to win. My mentors taught me that you don't have to quit at any point. And same thing I'm doing as a mentor with my mentees. I keep pushing them. I keep kicking them until and unless they work.
Yeah, I knew it because I'm your mentee and I'm lucky to have a mentor like you. So my second
Yes.
question would be: I saw your profile, like you are an entrepreneur. So connecting soft skills as a business. So what like you think and how like you did awesome. So how did you connect that soft skill to a business, starting a business of like be an entrepreneur of soft skill?
See, the day I realized that if a person wants to grow, you just cannot grow as me. You can always grow as we. This was my first learning. And that day I decided that alone I will not be able to take it forward. So I thought of building up my team. And as a team, I used to check that even the other person should understand what is my goal, what is my aim. So you need to have that particular connect with the person. If you feel that you have got the right one, then include him or her in your team, and this is how you can progress. And the other question, What you asked me is how I thought that soft skills can help me as a profession. Well, soft skills is a big gamut. It consists of communication skills, it consists of time management, presentation skills, grooming. Then you are there as a leadership for conducting leadership programs in different corporate, for conducting team building programs. Then in some of the corporate like Shri Cement, Havel, whomsoever joins, they need to undergo a soft skills program where we tell them a lot of things relating to what is the company looking for, what are the things that you should be ready with. And whenever it comes to their performance appraisal, even at that time they look for a soft skills training program. So it's everywhere, it's almost in every sector. So why not monetize your skills? Because if you want to live, you have to survive, and you just cannot survive without money. So you need to understand that at the end of the day, you can only move ahead if the skill set that you have, if the passion that you have is also giving you money, so that you can have more, you can grow as a team, you can have more members in your team, and then you can move ahead, isn't it?
Wow, what an awesome like you spoke it. And also by listening you, I think there will be like uh, knowledge in Indian students as well. The importance of soft skills. Like they are only focused on studies, and less focused on soft skill. So they should like more focus on soft skill. My third question will be, I saw you as a good impromptu speaker, a wonderful speaker in NSTC, and also winning so much of like certificates of table topic sessions. Any tips for impromptu speaking on how to be like a very good impromptu speaker?
It actually takes lot of patience, lot of determination and hard work. But believe me, uh, being a table topic speaker has not been easy for me. Being a winner of the table topic speaker session at the division level, it's not easy to reach that level. Table topic is very different if you compare it with the person who has been winning the other segment, that is the prepared speeches segment. Because in the prepared you are already aware of that this is the topic, and you get ample time to prepare yourself, to practice, and to make sure that these are the areas where you need to focus more, where you need to work more, where you can improve and practice and give your best shot. But when it comes to an impromptu speaking, you got to be prepared 24 into 7 for any topic. And at the same time, you need to build a connect with the audience. And the best way to connect with the audience is to wear one thing which is very important, that is a smile, which is the shortest way to connect. The other thing is just speak honest. If you will speak honest, then the first thing that will happen is you don't have to remember anything. It will be obvious, it will come automatically. And the second thing is just make sure that at the end of the day, there is some kind of learning for everybody. Everybody should carry that message in their heart if after they have heard you as a speaker. So I'm sure if you have these things in you, then you can pursue as a table topic speaker. Otherwise, without practice, you just can't achieve. The other thing what helps you is reading. Keep enriching your mind with good thoughts, good quotations, and whatever you feel that you should you can add value in other person's life with. Maybe it is just a simple statement, or maybe it's just a shlok from our own culture. Anything, it can be a simple word also. So just add value.
Okay, today only I'll make my diary and jotting down all the key quotes and all the learning which I'll be.
See,
Yes.
I always have my diary. You will
Wow.
never find me anywhere without a diary, whether it is a Toastmasters meeting, whether it is my online session, whether I'm there in a corporate or a college.
Awesome.
Everywhere. Yeah.
Next question will be, like we are suffering from this coronavirus pandemic. So all the session meetings and all like job is going on online. Online meetings are conducting. And somewhere around, like, I find online meetings to be like mundane, monotonous, like little boring. So how to make those online session more interesting? Like, all the members are over there, their eyeballs and all like here ears are with us. So how can we like make online session so much interesting?
Every problem has a solution. If you just keep looking at the solutions, you will come up with lots and lots of ideas. On the other hand, if you keep focusing on the problem, you will have more problems. So, very first thing is be optimistic. Okay. If I compare an offline meeting with an online, the very first advantage that I have is I feel there are less distractions. You know, if I imagine sitting in that classroom in a particular school, attending the North Spark Toastmasters meeting, at times we used to have a lot of, noises. And at times, even the sound of the fan used to be like a big disturbance. Or sometimes we used to have n number of people entering the room while a person was delivering a speech. So there are so many distractions, and most of the time being from Dehradun, I love rainy season. Whenever it used to rain, I used to get distracted. My eyes were always at that particular window on my left side. I still remember that classroom, and I used to watch the drops of rain falling and I was not actually giving 100% attention to the speaker. So this online meeting, if I compare it that way, it has more benefits. And on the other hand, you get lot of time. It's like flexibility level is also there. If the people are missing watching our this live interview, they can watch the recording, or you can just send a message. Whomsoever wants to join, they can join. It's not a hard and fast rule. So whenever you impose a rule, people would like to run away. So leave it to people, let them enjoy their life and let them pitch in whenever they feel like. It is both ways.
Yeah, what an awesome answer. Adding to you, I'll be attending next week the meeting of South Korea Toastmaster.
Wow,
But
wow, this is another advantage.
yeah, if it would be like offline, so traveling to South Korea will be like way much expensive.
Very
But
true.
we can attend
Very
that meeting from our home. So my next question will be, what makes you so motivated and positive always? Always. I have seen you like always positive and motivated.
These are few things. Okay, this is something what I got from University of Petroleum. Then this is the second place what I got from as a winner of the area level division, area level table topic. Then this is something I got as a jury member from USP Survivor 4. You must have heard the name of Bhatnagar brothers, Rahul Bhatnagar, Saurabh Bhatnagar. They are in the whole world. So this is what I got from them. This is one thing what is again given by University of Petroleum for helping them in Ignite, which is the college fest. I'm always there for University of Petroleum students. And this is something what I got as the winner of the table topic speech contest division level. Then this is something what I got from a school where I go. It's like an NGO. I help them for conducting training programs to their faculty. This is just one motivation. The other motivation for me is when I am able to bring a smile on somebody's face, when I feel that I have done my job by helping them, by creating a wow, by my invincible wow, by my special wow series, and by just pushing them. Sometimes even a small dose of motivation can help a person in becoming a winner. And sometimes by just a very rude sentence can just do just the opposite, isn't it? A
Yeah.
person might lose a speech contest because he was upset. A person might win because he was very happy, he was motivated. So it's your choice. What are you doing as a human being? How are you helping other people? So be a giver.
Yeah, what an awesome answer. Like, I would like to tell you, I'm also a road tractor. So one day I went to to a old age home and helping those dadajis and dadijis was so like soothing. My whole day went very positive. So I think these things are helping you also to be positive all the time, helping others. That's an awesome.
Yes. Yes. I personally believe that every person should choose a mentor, should find a right mentor who's always there, not only to guide you, but also to protect you by not falling down from n number of times, because the mentor is somebody who has already reached that level where you want to reach. So he or she will be the right person to guide you. So be there with the right mentor.
Yeah, I am with my right mentor. So this is from my side. Uh, Shubham.
Thanks a lot and stay motivated. Otherwise, you know that I'm going to kick everybody till the time I feel that the other person is not working.
Yeah, yeah,
Keep
sure.
working and keep smiling, keep shining. Bye bye. Thanks
Bye,
a
ma'am.
lot.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Shubham.